In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a conversation in Slack. Start by opening Slack in your browser and making sure you are already logged in. You should see the main workspace dashboard. In the left sidebar, look under the Channels section and click the General channel. This opens the channel conversation in the main area of the screen. If the message you want to move is not visible right away, scroll down until you can see it near the bottom. In this walkthrough, the message begins with, "Quick question about the Q2 roadmap," so use that as the message you are working with. Move your mouse over that message. Keep the pointer on the message for a moment and Slack will show a small toolbar along the top right edge of the message. In that hover toolbar, click the forward message icon, which looks like a right pointing arrow. A pop-up titled Forward This Message will open over the channel. At the top of the pop-up, click inside the To field. Type Slackbot into the field, using the destination name exactly as shown. As you type, Slack opens an autocomplete list underneath the field. When Slackbot appears in that list, click it. Slackbot is added to the To field as a selected recipient. Next, click inside the Message field in the same pop-up. The placeholder text says, "Add a message," if you'd like. Type the note, moving our roadmap chat here so we do not clutter the channel. This note will appear above the forwarded message, giving the direct message a clear reason for the move. Now click the green Forward button in the bottom right corner of the pop-up. The pop-up closes, and Slack returns you to the General channel view. In the left sidebar, go to the Direct Messages section and click Slackbot. Once the Slackbot direct message opens, scroll to the bottom. You should see your note first, followed by the forwarded message card. That card includes the original author, the timestamp, and the full text of the message from the channel. Click the message composer at the bottom of the Slackbot direct message. Type the follow-up message. "Starting fresh here. What's your take on the launch date?" When the message is ready, press Enter to send it. The channel message is now in the Slackbot direct message, with the original context preserved, and your follow-up appears underneath it. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.